Hello, I'm Klom, and in today's video I'd like to draw your attention to this exceptional piece of cutting-edge technology from China. It's the padlock shim set from Klom, and what we've got here are some very sharp-edged pieces of metal hidden under these plastic tubes or rubber tubes, which are not protective at all. As you can see in this part here, they will cut right through the tube and directly into your fingers if you are not careful enough. And all these edges are so sharp that they get caught in here. So when you want to push it into this gap, this will simply not move. You can hear this scraping noise. It's almost impossible to get these in. And this is both not helpful and dangerous. And what I've done to one of these to get to work with them is I took a file and I worked on all these edges to make them smooth, and you can see that I folded these arms so that I have something that's more stable and that I can get a grip on, both without hurting myself and not without having too much motion on this, so that I can really twist this thing inside the lock. And this here is my self-made shim that I used before, and it does its job very well. I can either twist it or I can push it here, push down the shackle, get this in. This all works very fine. This thing, after I worked on it, same thing. I can now really push this down and twist it, or put it down here, which is sometimes a bit easier. Push this down, shim follows downwards, lock is open. Yeah. Don't use them out of the box. Keep your fingers safe. Yeah, that's all there is for today. If you have questions or comments, please put them below. Hope you like this video, and I hope you see you again on this channel. Bye!